So today, YouTube guys, I'm going to show you how to remove an alternator from a 2010 to a 2014 Nissan Maxima without actually having to discharge the AC unit nor remove the compressor. So what I did was I removed the upper radiator hose and just kind of like just pushed it to the side for now with the clamp pliers on it, to not actually have antifreeze and everything just pouring all over the car. Um, I removed the O2 sensor and the complete fan assembly. You see where I moved the O2 sensor, which give me a lot more clearance to actually get the fan assembly out of the vehicle. Then I'm going to remove the lower radiator hose, and it got a little small bypass hose right next to it. Remove the belt, then the idler pulley, and that 17 millimeter lower alternator bolt gonna have to be removed also. Okay, the lower alternator bolt comes out from the back of the vehicle. It's gonna be kind of a little hard to get it out. I tried using a magnet to get it out. Once I got it out further enough, I just went in and just got me a little long flat edge screwdriver and just went on here to popped it right on out of there. No problem. Removing the alternator is going to be a little tricky. You got to move a few little wires out on the side, like the AC compressor wire, um, the lower radiator hose, move it to the side a bit. It's a little finessing and a little wiggling, and it's going to come right out with no problem. Installing the alternator is just as difficult as the removal process. So since installing the rear bolt of this alternator is almost required like two guys to do it, what I did was in this picture I'm showing you that I'm using a shorter bolt with the same circumference, and I'm actually going to install it in the front of the alternator first. So basically what I did was I just pushed that shorter bolt that was on the left of the picture just to hold the support weight of the alternator. I went back and I installed the upper bracket. I just put both of the bolts in it. I did not tighten it yet. Keep in mind we still got the exhaust manifold installed and we never removed the compressor. So it's kind of like a tight position. So I used a telescoping magnet just to get the bolt started into the lower alternator housing. And the video is going to get a little bit, well, you can't really see because it's a tight situation, but I'm basically just taking one hand, pushing the rear lower alternator bolt through as I'm wiggling the alternator, and then the front bolt is going to pop out. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my page. It's Lawrence McDaniels once again. And yeah, it took me a couple of times to get that bolt actually in the back of the alternator housing. I kind of like cut that part of the video out. But thanks again. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and please subscribe. Thank you. More videos coming soon.